This is the Kohler 1013092-95 bolt cap kit. Now these are in the color by color called Ice Gray. And it'll come with the bolt caps and the two bases. Now on these two bases you can kind of see the lettering right here. It's hard to kind of make it out over the camera. But on this side, it'll say this side up. You can kind of see it there. So it's just kind of a good reference point when installing. Of course, you want those sides facing up. So we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part here. Of course, the bolt caps will measure the same, and of course the two bases will measure the same as well. So starting with the height of the bolt cap, we're going to measure from the bottom here to the top of this dome shape here. We're going to measure right at about, looks to be about an inch. It's hard to get an exact measurement. And then also an outer diameter down here at the bottom side of it. And outer diameter looks just shy of about an inch and a half. And then with the bases, we'll get an outer diameter as well as an inner diameter here at this opening. We'll go this shorter way and then the long way. So starting with that outer diameter, we're looking right at, let's flip it over. Looking right at about an inch and a quarter. And then the inner diameter going this way, looking at right at about a quarter of an inch. And then this way, looking right at just shy of half of an inch. And once again, this is the Kohler 1013092-95 bolt cap kit.